Samsung is once again pushing the limits of smartphone design, and this time the focus is on something even more ambitious, a trifold device. A new leak has revealed details about the upcoming Galaxy Z Trifold 2, and it looks like Samsung is taking everything learned from its previous experiment and turning it into something far more practical and powerful. The original Galaxy Z Trifold was never meant to be a mainstream success. Instead, it was a smart experiment. Samsung released it in limited numbers to test how people would react to a premium foldable device with a completely new form factor, and the results were clear. Despite its high price and limited availability, the device sold out quickly. That showed one important thing: people are interested in bold innovation, even if it comes at a cost. This experiment gave Samsung valuable insights. It helped the company understand what users actually want from foldable devices. It also revealed the biggest weaknesses, especially when it comes to usability. And now, those lessons are shaping the next generation. The Galaxy Z Trifold 2 is expected to bring a major redesign. According to a newly filed patent, Samsung is working on a wider and more squared design. This might sound like a small change, but in reality, it solves one of the biggest problems users faced with earlier foldables: narrow screens. A wider design means a much better experience. Typing becomes easier, apps feel more natural, and multitasking becomes more useful. Watching videos, browsing social media, or even doing work on the device becomes smoother and more enjoyable. This change shows that Samsung is not just focusing on innovation for the sake of it, but also making sure the device is practical for everyday use. Of course, patents do not always turn into real products. But in this case, the direction is very clear. Samsung is listening to feedback and improving its designs step by step. The goal is simple: create a foldable device that feels just as comfortable as a regular smartphone, but with the added advantage of a larger screen. At the same time, Samsung is also preparing another big release, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide. This device is expected to launch soon, and it will play a key role in Samsung's foldable strategy. Unlike previous models, this version will focus heavily on wider displays. This shift is important. For years, foldable phones have been criticized for having tall and narrow outer screens. While they looked futuristic, they were not always practical. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide aims to fix that by offering a more natural screen shape, making it easier to use in daily life. This could set a new standard in the industry. As foldable devices become more common, users are expecting more than just unique designs. They want comfort, usability, and reliability. And Samsung seems ready to deliver exactly that. However, the competition is getting stronger. Companies like Huawei have already introduced wider foldable devices, giving users more practical options. But the biggest challenge could come from Apple. Rumors suggest that Apple is planning to enter the foldable market, and that could change everything. Apple is known for its polished designs and user-friendly experience. If it brings that same approach to foldable devices, it could raise the bar for the entire industry. This means Samsung cannot rely only on being first. It has to be better. And that brings up another major challenge: pricing. Foldable devices are still expensive to produce. The original Galaxy Z Trifold had high manufacturing costs, which made it difficult to scale. For foldables to become more popular, prices need to come down. Samsung is likely working on improving production efficiency. By optimizing its supply chain and increasing production at scale, the company can reduce costs over time. But finding the right balance is not easy. Lower prices can attract more buyers, but maintaining premium quality is just as important. This balance will be crucial for the success of future devices like the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide and the Galaxy Z Trifold 2. If Samsung manages to offer advanced features at a more reasonable price, it could bring foldable technology to a much larger audience. Looking ahead, Samsung's strategy is becoming very clear. The company is not rushing blindly into new designs. Instead, it is testing, learning, and improving with each step. The original Trifold was just the beginning. The upcoming models show a more refined and focused approach. The future of smartphones could be very different from what is seen today. Foldable devices have the potential to replace both phones and tablets, offering the best of both worlds in a single device. And Samsung is working hard to stay at the center of this transformation with a redesigned Trifold concept, a more practical foldable lineup, and a strong focus on user experience. Samsung is preparing for the next phase of innovation. But the journey will not be easy. Competition is rising, expectations are growing, and the pressure to deliver is higher than ever. Still, if these leaks turn out to be true, the Galaxy Z Trifold 2 could be one of the most exciting devices in the foldable space. A wider design, better usability, and smarter strategy could finally make trifold phones more than just an experiment. The real question now is not whether foldable phones will succeed, but how fast they will become the new normal. For more latest tech leaks, smartphone updates, and detailed reviews, make sure to subscribe to the channel and stay connected for upcoming videos.